Linux Shutdown Time Extended is a full HD video showing how to extend the time before the computer shuts down. By default, your Linux computer will shut down soon after a minute of inactivity. Extending the time of inactivity to 10 minutes while you make a cup of coffee, etc., may save you having to log in again. If you found this video helpful, there are many more in this Linux YouTube channel. In the description below is a link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you like this video, so may your Linux friends. Subscribe to be advised when I upload another Linux video to YouTube.